And to be fair, oil has done very little since last Thursday. We just continue to move sideways. We are in a very tight range at the moment on oil, so we continue to see overhead resistance, higher, well actually we've got higher lows but also lower highs as well. We've got a very clear pennant formation. You can see earlier on this morning we came back down to the lower end of that pennant, and we're actually just about breaking the upper end of that zone at the moment, although we've seen that a number of times over the last week. So oil's got a bit of work to do here. If it can break above the pennant formation and break and close above the last week's worth of highs, you could start to see a run up back towards $55 a barrel. If it has a failed move here, rolls over, breaks down, I'm targeting the 50-day moving average for a sell, which would be at 51.54. So for me, it's still stuck in this range. It's attempting right now to actually break above this level of resistance. So we'll see whether oil is able to follow through here with any sort of momentum, or whether this is just going to keep consolidating. Really tight range. Unusual to see oil this tight in terms of its daily high and lows, oil being one of the most heavily traded commodities on earth, so it is unusual to see it within such a tight range. Maybe today will be the day that we do see a break. You can see it's starting to try and attempt to break out. If you put it on a 4-hour chart, you've probably seen this a little bit more clearly in terms of the resistance zone. So it's just having a retest again of resistance. Very tight range here at the moment on oil, ricocheting between support and resistance. Needs a decisive break in order to determine the next move here. So oil, we are also watching carefully. If it can break above the last 4 days worth of highs and also close above that, so close above the $54 per barrel zone, yes, I would look for a short-term move back up to 55 and then continue to assess that towards the close as well. So it's just worth having on the radar right now.